Consider an economy at equilibrium in the goods market, money market, and labor market. Draw the appropriate IS, LM, FE curves to capture this equilibrium. So we'll start with drawing our y-axis, which is the interest rate, our x-axis, which is the output. This is our upward LM curve, this is our downward IS curve, and this will be our FE curve, which is the vertical line, and this will give us our potential output or full employment output. And all curves intersect at the same point, which is point A, which means we have equilibrium. The second part of the question is, consider a decrease in government spending. Capture this event on your IS, LM, FE space. So we know that if we'll have lower government spending, this would result in a lower aggregate demand. Consequently, it will affect IS curve. IS curve will shift to the left. Therefore, IS curve will shift to the left. So we will have a new point of intersection between IS2 and LM curve, which is point B. This would result in a lower output level, which is Y1, which is lower than our full employment output, which is Y star. The third part of the question. Is the economy under or overutilizing labor at your current level of output? So, at point B, we have our output level, which is Y1, is lower than our full employment output, which is Y star, which means we have a recessionary gap. Consequently, people are unemployed. Therefore, unemployment rate is bigger than natural rate of unemployment. Consequently, we are underutilizing labor. The last part of the question is, allow for the price level to adjust. Capture the consequence of price level adjustment in the IS, LM, FE space. So, we know that when we have underutilization, which means we have a recessionary gap because IS shifted to the left because we have a lower aggregate demand, therefore we know that price level drops. So if you draw aggregate demand, aggregate supply curves, you'll discover that when you shift aggregate demand to the left, it will result in a lower price. Consequently, this lower price would result in higher real money supply, because here we divide by P, so if P go down, the whole ratio will go up. Consequently, LM curve will shift to the right. Therefore, we will shift our LM curve to the right, so we'll discover that our LM2 will intersect with IS2, will intersect with FE at point C, which would take us to our original full employment output, which means the new level of output is equal to full employment output, which is Y star.